Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A16. If you are using Galaxy A16 and you want to record your screen, so let's see how can you do this. If you want to record your screen on Samsung Galaxy A16, you just need to install a third-party app for this. So open your Play Store app. Here, go for search and just randomly search for screen recorder. Just search for this one, and here you just have to look for app which you want, as I'm going to install this app because it has 0.7 ratings and 100 million plus downloads, so it will be perfect for your phone. You just have to install this and wait for its installation. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to make a simple setup. First, just skip this one, and here just tap on enable, and then look for X recorder, then enable this in your settings, then go back, and here select allow to send notification, then tap on record to start your recording. Here just tap on while using the app to record your microphone, and here if you want to record just a single app you can easily select it, but I'm going to select Android screen. Here just tap on it, then tap on start. So here you can see our recording has been started. You can easily edit your screen just using these tools. Here's the circle, the square, and the arrow icon if you want. So that's how you can easily record your screen. Just tap on it, then tap on stop action, and here you can edit your screen recording. So that's how you can easily record your screen on Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.